Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I'm going to do two Watchgang black box openings. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll actually see I am wearing another watch from Watchgang today. This is the tsovet SVT Automatic. I actually really like this one. I love the different color variations on the blue, on the dial hands and markers on this one. If you guys are unfamiliar with Watchgang, it is a monthly watch subscription company that has different tier levels. The original tier is $75. The black tier is $150. The platinum tier is $399, I believe. And then if you're crazy enough, they have a platinum tier that they do every now and then. That's $1,000. Also, guys, if you're looking to sign up for Watchgang, make sure you click my link below. You'll get some wheel spin points. I'll get some wheel spin points. It's another benefit of Watchgang. You can get some cool deals on the wheel. And if you're looking to save a little bit of money, I have promo codes and discount codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast. And if you're into old cars, make sure you check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. Now, I don't remember which watch is which. These are going to be May and June Watchgang black watches. Like I said, it's been a little while since I've done a box opening or anything, so let's take a look at what we've got. Now, I'm going to ask the question, since we're doing two and I have a third right here, do you think Watchgang is worth it? Now, me personally, I'm going to say this is my May one since we got Memorial Day card in there. So this is the watch I received for May, a Cadola. Now, me personally, I find there is a lot of benefits to Watchgang. There's the model number of this watch, a CD-1051-03. I think Watchgang has got a lot of people into watches, and it's opened my eyes on a ton of different styles. And I'm the craziest person that's been on Watchgang probably the longest. I wonder how many people have been subscribed longer than I have. So if you've been following along the whole time, I hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you like and comment below, because that helps me keep the channel going and keep my excitement going for doing these box openings. I actually really like the dial on this one. I like that green. Now, I have another watch from Cadola. I'm not sure what it looked like, but so far, I'm digging that one. The proportions look very nice. A pretty nice leather strap. I'm going to say this one is a quartz or a mecha quartz movement. Let's see if it says on the back. Chronograph, just chronograph movement. So I will have to look that one up to dig a little deeper, but let's go ahead and throw it on wrist if I can from behind the camera. So there's how that one looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. It's funny, I have people laugh that I say roughly 7-inch wrist, but you guys need to know the size and how it looks, just in case you're wondering how it would look on your wrist. I actually think this one is not too bad. I might change out the brown strap for a black one because that's a little more my style. But overall, I think this is a pretty nice looking watch. Now, I have to admit, my Watchgang Black membership is $99 a month because I've been subscribed for so long that I'm grandfathered into the older price. Now, I wonder how subscriptions have changed, how many people are still signing up at the 150 or the higher price level on the different tiers for Watchgang. Like I said, there's a lot of benefits. There's Facebook groups for trading watches. There's all kinds of stuff. Countdown to the 4th. There's a wheel spin event, so you can get lots of different things on the wheel. And I've spun the wheel quite a few times and actually have a number of watches sitting that we still need to open and take a look at. Now, I do not recognize the logo, but I do like the motorcycle on the box. Oh, it's a James McCabe or J.A. McCabe. I have another watch from them, and I do like their the other watch that I received. So this is a JM-1049-44. And let's open this one up. Oop. All the stuff falling out. All right, let's take a look. Oh, so came with an extra strap. I like these style straps. And we've got a pretty nice bracelet on this one. Let me pull the plastic off so we can get a better look at the dial. Man, that's crazy. I can't tell if it's just my lighting or are both of these dials like a dark green. Hold on. All right, I had to double check and make sure I wasn't crazy. Sometimes my lighting makes it really hard to see in here. And I honestly almost wish I was doing the watches outside all the time. But these both are a dark green. What are the chances of that? I would say, as I say that, I go, well, apparently pretty good because it happened. So I wonder what you guys have had yourselves. All right, so this one also is a quartz movement. So I've got, for 2 months in a row, 2 quartz watches. This would represent, for me, $200 worth of watches. Now, if you're just signing up, this would represent $300 worth of watches for 2 watches. So when you put them side by side like that, it makes it a little bit more difficult answering the question on how you feel if Watchgang is worth it. Now we throw in the tsovet. 3 months worth of watches for me. This one's an automatic. We got 2 quartz, so you do get a little bit of mix of both on the black tier level. I believe if you're on the platinum tier, they are all automatics, but you're stepping up to a much higher price point. I like the black tier level because for me at the $100 a month price point, it's not that big of a gamble. And I've gotten some really cool pieces. I actually like all 3 of these that are here right now. Let me know what you guys think of the comments below on the 2 new ones, even the one I was wearing earlier. And let me know your thoughts. Do you think Watchgang is worth it? Let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.